Hi friends, this is Deep Basu and welcome to my channel Think Deep. I am back once again and I'm going to review one of the most anticipated films of this year. Yes, you got me right. The name of the film is The Big Bull. Well, I'm sure most of you are really looking forward to watch this film. Hang on. Not because it has Abhishek Bachchan, not because it's directed by Mr. Kuki V. Gulati, not because it is a big budget feature film, because last year during this time a web series had released called Scam 1982, which was based on the life of Harshad Mehta. It was a big hit, and Big Bull also revolves around the similar story. So I remember when Scam 1982 was released, it garnered great reviews. Pratik Gandhi from here, he went on to top. Means everyone loved his performance. Everyone's performance was very good. Mr. Hansal Mehta did a great job in directing this, very realistic web series. And when all of us got to know that a film with a similar concept is about to release called The Big Bull, there were a lot of speculations, a lot of preconceived notions. We all were thinking, will Abhishek Bachchan will be as good as Mr. Pratik Gandhi? How Mr. Kuki sir will direct will be as good as Hansal Mehta? What's going to be? So finally, the answer is out, and I watched it, and I'm going to review. I'm out with my review. So first and foremost, hang on. I would like to say, let's not compare. Scam 1982 was based on a book by Sucheta Dalal. This movie, The Big Bull, is based on true events. Of course, it's based on the life of Harshad Mehta, but the events are quite different in comparison to Scam 1982, and the beginning, the end is somewhat different. So it's very clearly mentioned that this movie is based on true events. And if you see Scam 1982, it's a complete adaptation of a book written by Sucheta Dalal. So the character names also retained in Scam 1982, like the character Sucheta Dalal, Harshad Mehta, his brother. But here the character names are not being retained. Abhishek's character's name is different. His wife's name is Priya. His brother's name is different. Ileana plays the character Sucheta Dalal. Her name is Meera Rao. So the character's name is different. So basically, this movie, The Big Bull, is a very different interpretation of the Scam 1982. So let's not have comparison. I know it's inevitable. You and I, as an audience, will be bound to compare, because when I was watching Big Bull, I just couldn't stop myself but compare the execution, the art direction, the performance. But it's wrong. Please watch Big Bull with a very clear mind. Just pretend that Scam 1982 has not been released or has not been made. So watch this movie with a very clear mind, because it's a very different interpretation of Harshad Mehta's life story. And I will not say, if you ask me personally, that's a bad film. I can see a lot of bad reviews. The audience are, somewhat panning the film, panning Abhishek's performance. But if you ask me, frankly speaking, it's not a bad film. It's a very decent attempt. It's a Bollywood feature film, so definitely certain things will be larger than life. Certain shots, certain characters will be larger than life. You can't really expect same execution, same kind of art direction like Scam 92. That was a web series, by the way. But yes, if you ask me in terms of criticism, the director could have been a little more honest in terms of certain things. In terms of Abhishek's character, Abhishek, by the way, has done a decent job, though you will find a guru hangover. The way he talks, the way he moves, his head movements, you will find a certain guru hangover. And this character Harshad Mehta is the director has made him a villain in this film. Harshad Mehta is not a villain, but if you see a Big Bull, the second half you'll find Harshad Mehta talking like a villain, laughing like a villain, very this kind of laughter. Ha 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 ha. इन्फॉर्मर कौन है मुझे पता, तुम सब नंगे होके पानी में कूद जाओ, अगर मैं मजाक नहीं कर रहा तुम लोग हंस रहे क्यों है, मुझे पता. And there's a very Guru kind of dialogue. If you remember Guru very well, when Abhishek Bachchan in his character tells Mithun Chakraborty that मुझे कोई रोक नहीं पाएगा, ना आप, ना ये, ना वो, pointing at Madhavan. Exactly the same way, there's a dialogue where Abhishek Bachchan tells his wife Priya, Nikita Datta, that मैं सबसे बड़ा, सबसे पहला बिलियनर बनूंगा, सबसे पहला, ना वो, ना ये, मैं बनूंगा. So I think the the director should have been honest in terms of performances. Abhishek looked like a villain. He spoke like a villain. So it was very over, to very precise. Was very the script was pretty over dramatic. थोड़ा real होता तो मजा आता. And I think the editing could have been slightly better. It's quite a long film. Though I felt the screenplay was all over the place. It was rushed. I will not blame them because Scam was a 8 episode story. This was a 2 hour 15 minute story, so it might look rushed, but somewhat I felt the movie could have begun in a better way. The first half is pretty boring. The second half picks up. The pace picks up in the second half, where you see Abhishek Bachchan getting onto the villain mode. The title of the film should have been The Big Bull Villain, because Abhishek was the villain actually. Anyway, in terms of the performances, Nikita Datta was good. I really like her. I liked her in Kabir Singh, and I have followed her work. She's an ex-beauty pageant finalist. She's very beautiful. But Nikita Datta and Abhishek's chemistry somewhat didn't quite match up. They lacked that chemistry. Maybe they were not the scenes were not that powerful or impactful. When they were performing, the scenes written were not very impactful because the chemistry was missing. It lacked. But Nikita Datta overall did a very good job. Dialogue delivery, everything was quite decent. Soham Shah did a decent performance. Soham Shah, by the way, is a producer himself. Ship of Theseus and I'm forgetting that horror film. I'm forgetting his name. He's also a great actor, but somehow he didn't get much scope to perform. And sometimes his acting became melodramatic. And I think Ileana D'Cruz somewhat was quite impressive as Meera Rao, the character of Sucheta Dalal. She was quite good, suave. She was quite, a nice demeanor and nice, dignified and everything. So overall, and the script, I think overall the first half could have been better, though the second half picks up. And the good part of this movie I felt is the director has done a lot of spoon feeding, especially for people who don't understand stocks. I don't have no information about stockbrokers, stocks, and all that. I'm not much into investing on stocks. So the director has done quite spoon feeding. Like he has explained the entire scam properly, which I think was missing in the Scam 92. It was, I think, though I felt this explanation was much clearer in comparison to Scam 92. So that way, if many of you don't understand jargons, you don't understand much about stocks, I think the scam of Harshan Mehta or the entire manipulation will be well understood in this film in a better way. Plus CG, VFX, the backgrounds, I know it's done on a green chroma, looked very, very, very bad, very tacky. Means it looked so artificial. I know it's a big budget film. Like, come on, get a good VFX artist here. The green chroma replacement, the city and everything, the color grading, everything looks so artificial. So overall, Big Bull is a decent attempt. I won't say it's a bad attempt. The director and the writer had their own interpretation, which is not bad. If I had to see a Scam 92, I wouldn't have enjoyed. But the overall execution could have been better. It could have been a little more real. The dialogues could have been less artificial. Dialogues are very artificial. Bhagwan se zyada paisa hai. All these dialogues and all that should have been a little more real. But the movie has moments. Don't kill me if you don't find. The movie has moments. The certain confrontations are quite clap worthy. And Abhishek, I think he's decent. Yeah, he's a good actor. Don't be so hard on him, Abhishek Bachchan. Don't be so hard on him. He's a good actor. And there's one very Amitabh Bachchan moment, I think, towards the end. Something like Amitabh Bachchan. Exactly. He sounded exactly like senior Bachchan. Anyway, so overall, Big Bull, I would say it's watchable. If you are free, you want to see a different interpretation of the entire Harshan Mehta case, please go and watch Big Bull on Hotstar. Don't be so hard on the actors or the movie. It's not that bad. Plus, the songs are good. I think I like that Ishq Nawaza. That song is very nice choreographed, very pretty, very beautiful. So overall, that's my review for The Big Bull. I hope I'm not missing out on anything. So please watch it with a clear mind. Don't constantly go back to Scam 92. It's a very different interpretation, different version, different vision. This is a movie. It's a big budget Bollywood film. Obviously, two different directors making some same concept will definitely have different versions, different visions. So watch it, Big Bull, if you're not doing anything on this weekend. Okay, guys, and please subscribe to my channel, Think Deep, right away. Think Deep Basu on YouTube. I'm on Instagram, Peanut Butter Boy or Deep Basu. Just hit me up, subscribe, follow me. I'll be back again with the review of the Malayalam film Joji. Yes, Fahad Fazil. Okay, guys, I sign off. I'll be back very soon. Happy weekend.